equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson HS hair dryer may experience issues such as overheating or reduced airflow. These problems often arise from clogged filters or worn-out components. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to permanent damage, making your device unusable. To carry out the repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a replacement filter or component as necessary. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. Once open, locate the heating element, which is often the source of overheating issues. Gently disconnect the wires attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. Remove the screws securing the heating element and lift it out. Replace it with the new component, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are secure but not overly tight to avoid damage. As you reassemble the device, check for any loose screws or components that may have shifted during the process. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future issues, regularly clean the filter and avoid using the dryer in damp conditions. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.